Hey everyone! Okay, this is like peak laziness, but this is like my dirty brushes pot, and I'm just gonna go straight out of the dirty brushes pot. Here's the thing about me is I'm actually like a obsessively orderly person. So I'm actually really, like, my desk is pristine, you know. It's all, I clean it all the time and take so much care and put everything away. So this is my screen. You can see my OBS. Apparently I haven't got my Windows wallpaper maker on. This is my computer. It's very cute. There's my PC. There's an anime girl in there. Yeah. There's like my keyboards, my iPad, some brushes and some I'm using. Some like the stuff that I'm using right now is like in there. See my mouse and my controller. But yeah, I mean, honestly, like all my stuff that I'm using right now is in a thing next to me, which you can kind of see. Thank you. I have a paw on my keycaps. So I have everything here. And yeah, the bin is up there because the cats kept pulling the bin over. So yeah, there's that side that you can see there, and my bookshelf. And then on that side is the same thing. There's some books. That's the wig that I'm wearing today. And my printer. I have some paintings on the wall. Yeah. Logitech C920. There's a shelf up there. Little shelfie. Yeah. So as you can see, if I do that, that's what my desk looks like. I wouldn't look like Ahri if I didn't have a pink wig on, right? So yeah, pretty orderly. so cute. Good boy. Okay, right, time for me to head. But voila, this is the paint job. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. I love you guys. I will see you soon.